Major changes in electric fan technology in the last 100 years. Electric fans have undergone significant transformations over the past century, evolving from simple mechanical devices to sophisticated appliances that enhance comfort and energy efficiency. This document explores the major advancements in electric fan technology, highlighting key innovations, design improvements, and the impact of modern technology on fan performance and usability. Historical overview. In the early 20th century, electric fans were primarily basic, single-speed devices made from metal and wood. They were often large and cumbersome, designed for industrial use or large spaces. The introduction of the oscillating fan in the 1920s marked a significant advancement, allowing for broader air circulation. Key innovations. 1. Motor technology. The development of more efficient electric motors has been a game-changer for electric fans. Over the years, manufacturers have transitioned from induction motors to brushless DC motors, which offer higher efficiency, reduced noise, and longer lifespans. These advancements have allowed fans to operate at multiple speeds while consuming less energy. 2. Blade design. Fan blade design has evolved significantly, with materials shifting from metal to lightweight plastics and composites. Modern blades are often aerodynamically shaped to maximize airflow while minimizing noise. The introduction of variable pitch blades has also allowed for adjustable airflow and improved performance. 3. Smart technology. The rise of smart home technology has influenced electric fan design. Many modern fans now come equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to control them via smartphone apps or voice commands through smart assistants. Features such as programmable timers, remote controls, and energy monitoring have become standard. 4. Energy efficiency. With growing awareness of energy consumption, electric fans have become more energy efficient. The implementation of Energy Star ratings and the use of energy-saving technologies, such as inverter motors, have made it possible for fans to provide effective cooling while using less electricity. 5. Design and aesthetics. The aesthetic appeal of electric fans has also improved. Manufacturers now offer a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes to suit various interior designs. The introduction of bladeless fans, such as those developed by Dyson, has revolutionized the market by providing a sleek, modern look while enhancing safety and ease of cleaning. Conclusion. The last century has seen remarkable advancements in electric fan technology, driven by innovations in motor efficiency, blade design, smart technology, energy conservation, and aesthetic appeal. As technology continues to evolve, electric fans are likely to become even more efficient and user-friendly, further enhancing their role in modern living spaces.